Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic VX54 portable monitor series for on-the-go gaming. So friend, ViewSonic has announced the launch of its new ViewSonic Gaming VX54 series of 16-inch and 17-inch portable monitor and designed for gamers on the go. The ultra sleek lightweight monitor is weighed under 1 kg and provide versatile connectivity option and deliver high quality visual across mobile devices, PC, and gaming console. And the VX54 series 16-inch and 17-inch monitor boast a thin 9.85 mm and 11 mm profile and respectively, and both weigh less than 1 kg, like door room and easy to carry in bag for gaming on the go. And its monitor also include built-in foldable stand with adjustable viewing angle up to 53-degree, allowing gamers to find the perfect screen position for maximum comfort during long gaming season. But monitor deliver vibrant Full HD resolution, ensuring vivid display for Full HD resolution, ensure vivid visual and bring game to life. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync Premium, they provide smooth, responsive gameplay and minimal input lag, perfect for fast-paced action as well as everyday gaming. An integrated speaker, comfortable the package, deliver high-quality audio without the need for extra gear, and additionally, the VX54 series monitor featured dual USB Type-C port with two-way 60-watt power delivery and mini HDMI port, and the versatile connectivity allow effortlessly integration with a wide range of devices, transforming any location into a personal entertainment hub for gaming and media. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.